Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to test disk speed on macOS. So basically guys, macOS does not have a built-in feature to test the disk speed, so we will have to download an app to test it. Now simply go to the App Store in your macOS and search for the Blackmagic disk speed test in search address bar. After you search for it, you will get to see the Blackmagic disk speed on the first. Simply tap on it, then tap on the get icon available there, then again tap on the install and wait for the app to be installed in your Mac. In order to do that, you'll simply have to enter your Apple ID password as well. So basically guys, Blackmagic Disk Speed Test is a popular tool specifically designed for testing disk speed on macOS. Now simply click on the start button to begin the speed test. Once the test is complete, you will see the read and write speed displayed in MBs megabytes per second. And by using these methods, you can effectively test the disk speed on your macOS system and gauge the performance of your storage device. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.